have all kinds of blind, vertical blind, day and night, rollers blind, wooden blind, and so many of it. This is Turkish material. This one comes by order. So far so good. I think we have a calling of furnishing.
Okay.
Yeah, we make your house look good.
Okay.
We can put your house in a good mood and in a good shape that you will be dreaming of going home at all time.
All right.
We are into furnishing. We furnish your hotels, we furnish houses, we furnish all kinds of, even offices.
Okay.
So we have blind for office, we have curtain for house and blind for house too. So many people use blind in the house now,
Yeah.
and we have provision for all of them. We have all kinds of blind, vertical blind, day and night, rollers blind, wooden blind, and so many of it. So I will update you with the pictures if you want. So then we have curtains for office and curtains for home.
Wow.
And we have curtains for hotel. So just like what you are seeing now, it's just sample of it. Where we display sample. We have something like this where we make how we show you how it will look at home. This is one of our artwork, how it will look in your home. If you want, we have so many varieties of it. By the virtue of space, we don't have enough space where we display all, but we have them on our phone. Or out before the work and after the work, we can show you. We have so many pictures of our works like this. So we have samples of the materials. The material you choose can be used for any design you want. Like this is Turkish satin, and we have varieties of them. We have varieties of them for your steam room and hotels also. This is it. So we have what we call day blind, but that depends on the color of your material. This is day blind. This is it. This is what you are seeing here. This is Turkish material. So we have window blind. This is window blind. This is sample of it. We will show you picture of it, how it will look at the end of the work. These samples of it. We have so many of it. This day and night. This day and night. We have so many of them. This is Turkish material. This one comes by order. It's a high quality material. It's a high quality material. So depending on the capacity of the person and the standard of the work. So over there you can see window blind at the end of the work. This day and night. This day and night. Of course you can see it's in the night now. This is the day. So this is the night. So this is how it comes at the end of the work. You can finish it up by rolling it up entirely. You want to roll it down, you roll it down. Yes, and in the office too. So we call it window blind. We have varieties of it. Maybe I will update you with the pictures. So we have so many samples. These ones can be used in your bedroom. You can use this in your bedroom. It's of different color, designs, and so on and so forth. We have blue color too. Blue color too. Okay, we have another office for wallpaper. You know, like I said, we are into furnishing. So anything that will make your house look good is our primary duty. So we have wallpaper, we have 3D panel, we have wall sticker. The office is over there. Maybe we'll go there.
Yes, let's go there, please.
Okay. This is our wallpaper shop. We have varieties of wallpaper. Here we have German wallpaper. We have German wallpaper. That is 7 square meter. Here is 10 square meter. We have Chinese wallpaper. It's all here, depending on the color and design you want. So we have so many of it.
What's the price range of this?
Okay, we have Chinese wallpaper of 3,000 naira. So we have German wallpaper, we have 4,500, we have 3,000, we have 12,500, and we have 6,000 naira, depending on the one you want. And we have wall sticker. This is wall sticker. It's of different color and different design. It's of different color.
How many of these will somebody need to cover their living room or parlor?
Oh, that depends on the size.
Okay.
We deliver nationwide. We deliver nationwide. We have the people that install it, the people that paste the wallpaper, and the people that install curtain. So wherever you are, distance is not a barrier. We can send people to Abuja, East, so many places. So that is not a problem. Just give us your location, give us a call, we will locate you where you are. So we deliver through.
That so if someone wants to buy in quantity, what of someone that wants to buy in quantity and resell? Do you sell wholesale?
We sell wholesale. That will be based on discussion. Okay. We sell wholesale. Especially on the wallpaper part, we sell wholesale. Any quantity you want. We can go to our packing store if you want. So we sell wholesale. Depending on where you are, we deliver to you. Oh. So that's what we have. Wall panel too. I will update you with the pictures. The carton is in there. Okay. So I will update you with the pictures. You can contact us at 081 34 86 96 43 or 080 23 29 85 20. 081 34 86 96 43 or 080 23 29 85 20. You can contact us also in Instagram, Facebook at Asogwa NS. Asogwa NS, that is our Facebook name and Instagram. So the company name is God's Goodness. God's Goodness. You can locate us as a Article Market, opposite Trade Fair. Article Market, under bridge, opposite Trade Fair. Shop 318, Shop 316 and 225. That is our shop number. Right. A block A316, A318, A225. That's our shop number. Thank you. As you patronize us, may God bless you.
Amen.